So in the last class we have seen regular expression, right? What is the use of regular expression? Whatever the NFA or DFA, that is non-deterministic finite automata or deterministic finite automata, in general these are types of finite automata or finite state machines which we have seen. This is one classification. Here we will be having more than one output on the same, what you call, more than one transition on the same input symbol, then we can say it as non-deterministic. Why? Because suppose this is q1, this is q1, q0, q1, q2, then on reading input symbol a, to which state we will be going, we can able to reach, that we cannot determine here. Either we can reach q1 or q2, so it is non-deterministic finite automata. Whereas if we have only one transition for every input symbol, then we can say that as deterministic finite automata, and every NFA will be will be having equivalent DFA. Okay, in the last class we have seen how we can convert from NFA to DFA also. One example we have seen. Of course, with the same procedure, you could able to convert any NFA to DFA. Okay, that's for sure. Every NFA will be having equivalent DFA. That is exist. Okay. Next, afterwards, we have seen the formula kind of thing called regular expression. Okay, it is nothing but it gives the formula which represents what are the strings that can be accepted by given strings accepted by given NFA or DFA can be represented in the form of a formula called regular expression. Strings accepted by finite automata, we can say that can be DFA or NFA, anything that can be represented by using regular expression. Here we have seen several things like A star means, A star means what?
0, A, etc.
Yeah, 0 or more occurrences of A. Next, A plus means 1 or more occurrences of A. Next, A plus B in the sense either A or B. That is the meaning of A plus B, either A or B. Next, A, B in the sense A followed by B. A followed by B. Both are mandatory. A and B should be there, but A should follow by B. Similarly, BA in the sense B followed by A. Okay, like that several things we have seen, and some examples also we have seen. Now we will see other examples, then we will continue further. I have stored questions. Yeah, is the question visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here what we can say, write the regular expression for the language over sigma equal to 0. What does it mean? Here this sigma equal to 0 in the sense input alphabet is containing only one. Understand? Only one, that is 0. Next, having even length of the string. So what is the question? We have to write a regular expression for the language by considering the input alphabet as sigma, and we need to have even length string. So every string should have even length. That is what our requirement. So now sigma is already defined, that is 0. Okay, this is the sigma. So whatever the strings that we form, that should have only zeros. So now what are the possible strings? Is it accepted? Is it accepted? First one is accepted or not?
No, sir.
No. Why? Because even length string only accepted. So it is not accepted. Here this is also not accepted, but this is accepted, this is accepted. Now let us consider we are having 0, 1. Next 0, 1, 0, 1. Now fifth one accepted or not?
No, sir.
No. Why? Because this one itself not part of the input alphabet, so it is also rejected. It is also rejected. So we need to have zeros only, and by generalizing these two, what we can say? Suppose empty string is there. Okay, empty string we denote with epsilon. So empty string is accepted or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So empty string can be there. Then 0 0 accepted, 4 zeros accepted, 6 zeros also accepted. Like this, any number of zeros which is of length even is accepted. Now, how we can generalize this one? This is the question. Yeah. How we can generalize? If you generalize, that is nothing but regular expression. Okay. Now you say. So 0 0 is there. Next, again such kind of thing we can repeat. How many times? We can repeat for any number of times. Then even if you repeat for 10 times or 15 times, 3 times or 1 time, then we will be getting even number of zeros only. So the string will be having even length only. So 0 0 any number of times we can repeat. So we can write it like this: 0 0 plus, in the sense we can repeat for 1 time, we can repeat for 2 times, 3 times, like this any number of times we can repeat. And by including this one here, we wanted to include this epsilon as well. So what we can write? 0 0 star. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is a simple question. Next, let us see another one. This is for what? Even length string. But remember that input alphabet is 0 only, like A only, in the sense, then A whole star, that's it. But if we have A comma B as the input alphabet, then it is different. Again, we need to what you call, we need to write a different regular expression for it. Yeah. Let us see another one. Yeah, second one. Write the regular expression for the language accepting all the strings which are starting with 1 and ending with 0. Okay. We should start with 1 and we should end with 0. So what is the input alphabet? The name itself indicate, the question itself indicating the input alphabet is input alphabet is 0 comma 1. What is the question? We should start with 1, we should end with 0. In the middle we can have anything. In the middle we can have anything, in the sense we cannot have A or B like this. We will, whatever the input alphabet we have, that is 0 comma 1, within these only we can have in any combination, but it should start with 1 and it should end with 0. Now these two slots are fixed. What we can have in between, like let us try to write some combinations, like we will start with 1 and we will end with 0, that's it. Next, 1 0 0, 1 1 0, 1 0 0 0. Next, 1 0 1 0, 6. Yeah. Now first one is accepted or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. It is starting with 1, ending with 0. It is starting with 1, ending with 0. Second one will also be accepted. Next, third one is also accepted. Starting with 1, ending with 0. In between we can have anything. Starting with 1, ending with 0. So it is accepted. Here also accepted. Here starting with 1, ending with 0. So it is accepted. Starting with 1 but ending with 1, so it is not accepted. Next, starting with 1, ending with 0. So in between we can have anything. So it is also accepted. Now how can we generalize? 1 and 0 is fixed, but in between what we can write? Can we have 1 here? Yes. At the same place, can we have 0? Yes. So yeah, any answers?
1 plus 0 whole star into 0 plus 1 whole star
1 plus 0 whole star
into 0 plus 1 whole star
0 plus 1 whole star. Altogether, now you say what is the regular expression?
1 into 1 plus 0 whole star plus 0 plus 1 whole star into 0.
Okay. Is this the final answer or any other
Yes.
thing? Yeah.
Yes.
Now you consider here 1 plus 0 whole star. What is the meaning of 1 plus 0 whole star?
Either 1 or 0.
Okay. How many times?
0 or more than 0 times.
Any number of times. Next, 0 plus 1 whole star. What is the meaning?
0 or 1 more than 0 times.
More than 0 times or any
0
number of times?
any number of times.
Any number of times. Now, 1 plus 0 whole star, 0 plus 1 whole star. Here, 1 or 0 or 0 or 1. Both are same or not?
Yes, sir.
Every time here, just you consider this particular one. Every time we will be having the option that we can take either 1 or 0. Okay, any one you can take and any number of times you can take. Same functionality here also, right? We can take 0 or 1. Okay, there is no difference at all. Or I can generalize it, a plus b or b plus a, both are same. Okay, in regular expression point of view, a or b or b or a, both are same. Okay, why? Because intuitively also you can understand 1 plus 0 whole star, 0 plus 1 whole star, both gives the flexibility that either we can choose 1 or 0 or any number of times. So by this what we can write? We should start with 1, we should end with 0, in the middle
Any
what we
one,
can
sir,
have?
like 1 plus 0 whole star.
Yeah, 1 plus 0 whole star or 0 plus 1 whole star. Any one is sufficient. Even if you have both also, nothing wrong. But we will try to have minimized formula in general. Okay, if you put both also, it is correct only. Why? Because star indicates 0 or more occurrences. If you consider 1 plus 0 itself sufficient, then 0 plus 1 whole star you don't take. You don't take in the sense 0 or more occurrences, that possibility is there. 0 occurrence possibility is there, then it will be nullified. So this is also correct, this is also correct. Understand? Yeah. Next question. Write the regular expression for the language starting with A and ending with B and having any combination of B's in between. Yeah, we should start with A and we should end with B, and we can have any combination of B. It is even a subset of what we have solved earlier. Yeah. What is it? What is the answer? We should start with what is the input alphabet? This is important, man. You need to identify what is the input alphabet, A comma B, and what are the possible strings, that also we have to analyze. Like we should start with A and we should end with B. Yes or no? Starting with B or A? Starting with A, yeah. Starting with A and ending with B, and in between we can have any number of B's. So what we can write?
B star.
B star. So altogether what we can write?
A B star B.
One more time. A B star B is correct. Can we minimize it further?
A B star.
A B plus. This is also same. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
A B plus. We will be getting A B or A B B, A triple B, like this. Any number. It will start with A. It will end with B. In between we can have any number of B's. So A B plus is also correct. A B star B also fine, but we can minimize it further. Yeah. Next. Yeah, write the regular expression for the language starting with A but not having consecutive B's. Read the question again. We should start with A but should not have consecutive B's. Yeah, let us try to analyze. We should not have consecutive B's. Yeah, what is the input alphabet? A comma B. Now we should start with A and we should not have consecutive B's. So after A, can we have B? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, second one?
No, sir.
No, it is not accepted, but it is okay. Next, this one is also okay, right? This one? Fourth one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, consecutive B's are not there. Here, fifth one also, okay. So now how can we generalize it? Yeah. We should start with A. So A is fixed. Afterwards, we have to think. Yeah, A is fixed. We should start with A. Afterwards, what we can have? Suppose we are having like this triple A. Is it accepted or not?
Yes, sir. Accepted.
Yeah, this one, seventh one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, one more. Eighth one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, consecutive B's are not there and it is starting with A. So it's fine. So now leave about the starting A. Why? Because we have fixed this one. Afterwards, what we can have? Now you generalize. You leave about these all first A's, initial A's, you leave. Okay, now you consider remaining. What we can have? We can have B. If we have B, by analyzing this one, what we can write is, if we have B, what it should have?
A.
Immediately we should have A only. Okay, suppose if we have like this, then if we have B, then
Sir, BA plus whole star.
BA star,
BA plus whole star.
BA plus, you mean BA plus
And
whole
BA plus 4 star. Yes, sir.
like this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now will it satisfy all the things? AB itself will not satisfy, right? ABA it will satisfy, ABAA it will satisfy, ABAB also will not satisfy. Just try to modify it. Here and here it is not satisfying because of the restriction.
Sir, Zion has written something in chat box.
What was it? Yeah, A plus BA star. Gian, actually that last one B star, the moment B star you write means consecutive B's you can have, right? It will accept. Consecutive B's we should not have. Any other answers? It is like, yeah, any answer came? Okay. Yeah. Try to generalize here only. Like after A, anyway, we have fixed A here. Okay. After A, what we can have is, we can have A, we can start with A or we can start with B as well. Okay. After having A, or initially we have to start with A, okay, that you leave it. Next, afterwards we can start with A or we can start with B. If we start with B, immediately we should not have A again, yes or no? So how can we ensure that? Any answers?
Sir, A into B plus BA,
B plus
BA plus
B plus
BA plus
BA plus
whole star.
whole star.
No, sir, for only BA plus whole star.
Only for BA plus.
Yes.
A into BA plus, for this one only whole star.
Yes, sir.
Like this you are saying.
Yes, sir.
Then AB will be accepted. Yes, AB will be accepted. Yeah, it seems to be correct. AB, 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 AB is coming. AB, AB is not coming. AB, AB, this string is accepted actually, but it is not generating from this regular expression. Correct. It should start with A, so it is satisfying. Next, consecutive B's are not there. So, what we can have? A. After A, what are the possibilities? We can have A, right? We can have A. After A, we can have A, or if we have B, then immediately what we can have?
A.
A. So if we have B, definitely we need to take A only afterwards. So how can we ensure that? How can we ensure consecutive B's should not be part? So can we have A star here? If we have like this, then what will happen? A plus BA star, then A, then also there will be problem, right?
Yes, sir. AB will not be right.
Uh, Suppose if we have like this, A plus AB star, now you see? Now you see? AB is accepted. After A, we will be having the option that either we will be taking any number of A's, or if you wanted to take, then again
Sir, but AB is not accepted.
AB will not be accepted. Yeah. Can you refine it?
Sir, we can add it plus B.
Plus
B. For
where?
that we can after AB.
After
A
AB, third
plus
one.
A. Yes, sir.
After A, after this, if you add B, then automatically normal condition itself failed, right? Either A or B or AB, right? So B only I will take twice. Then it will be
Yes, sir.
failed. What can be done? A, I think. Now you see this one, A plus AB whole star. Whole regular expression itself, this one. Now AB will be accepted or not?
Yes, sir.
AB will be accepted. Okay, only AB will also be accepted. Next, AB, AA.
Yes, sir. Accepted.
Yeah, ABA, third one, this one. ABA will be accepted. ABAA accepted. AB will also be accepted. Triple A will be accepted. Double A, BA. Double A, BA. Yeah, here again problem may come. Double A, BA. Double A, then okay, then here eighth one, triple A, BA component is not including. Yeah. Can we do it in any other way? This one is accepting almost everything except that BA. Yeah, any answer?
It is satisfying all the cases.
BA, it is this one ma, double A, BA.
A, AB, A.
A,
AB,
AB, yeah,
A.
that is also, yeah, that is also satisfying. So I think this will satisfy everything.
Sir, it should be plus. A
Which
plus
one?
AB whole plus.
A plus AB whole
Whole
plus.
plus. Instead of star.
Uh, yeah. Why? Because we should start with A because of that restriction, right? AB whole plus. Yeah. One or more occurrence of either A or AB. So it will start with A. So this is the final answer. Correct. Right? Any counter cases? Yes, any counter case, ma?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is the final answer. Yeah. Next, let us see another one. Hmm. Yeah. Write the regular expression for the language having a string which should have at least one A and at least one B. Yeah. Can you able to write regular expression for the language having a string which should have at least one A and one B? So the input alphabet is clear that it is A comma B. So input alphabet is A comma B. Now you say we should have every string should have at least one A and one B. So AB is accepted. BA is accepted or not? Yes. Next BAA, yes. ABA, yes. Double B, triple B, double A, triple A, triple AB, double BA. Yeah. This fifth one accepted or not?
No, sir.
No. Sixth one? No. Seventh one? No. Eighth one?
No,
No.
sir.
Ninth one?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tenth one?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So at least one A we should have, at least one B we should have, then it is accepted. And now how can we write regular expression for it? This we have discussed in the last class. Nobody pointed out. We should have A and B
Yes, sir.
or B and A, like this we have discussed, right? Before this we can have, after this we can have anything. So either this one or this one, like this we have discussed or not? A plus B whole star, then here A plus B whole star, here A plus B whole star, like this we can write. That means before this we can have any number of A's and B's, and after this also we can have, that is in between A and B also we can have any number of A's and B's. After B also we can have any number of A's and B's. This is one combination. In other combination, B followed by A. Here also we can have here any number of A's and B's, and in between B and A also we can have any number of A's and B's. After also we can have. So this is the final regular expression, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, let us see another one. Yeah, any doubt, ma?
Can we remove the first A plus B whole star from both the cases?
First A plus B from
Whole star.
if you remove, then what will happen? Suppose let us consider you don't want to have this A plus B whole star from
Yes,
both the
yes,
cases.
yes.
Yeah. Now let us see.
Sir, we will not get BAB.
BA,
B.
BAB. We can get here, na? From this, can't we get BAB?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can get BAB. Any other? A it seems to be we can remove, but any counter cases? Just try for 1 minute. Yeah, any counter cases? Sorry. If you start with A, any combination we can have, and any combination of A's and B's. So here we are having these two. So if you start with A, there is no problem. Similarly, B we are having, so you can go in. I think we can remove. If you find any counter case, let me know even after the class also. From this, I can say it can be removed. Why? Because the question contains we should have at least one A and at least one B. That's it. That is the only restriction. If A should follow by B, then it is different story. But for this particular one, it will satisfy. Yeah. Okay. Then next one. Yeah, this one completed. Yeah, next one is regular expressions such that all the strings do not contain the substring 0, 1. We should not have that substring. So what is sigma here? Sigma is 0, 1, and we should not have 0, 1 as the substring. Yeah. So sigma is 0, 1. We should not have 0, 1 as the substring. So now 0, 1 if you have, then it cannot be accepted. Next 0, 1, 0, then no. Next 1, 1, 0, yes. 1, 1, 0. Fourth one accepted or not?
Yes,
Fourth
sir,
one.
accepted.
Yes. Fifth one?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sixth one?
No, sir.
No. Seventh one?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now how can we generalize?
Sir, then we can take 1 star into 0 star
1 star?
into 0 star. Like 1 is always coming first.
One is, what is the question actually? I forgot. 0, 1 should not be there, right? 0, 1 string. Yeah. Suppose, okay, whenever we get 0, afterwards we should not have 1. So 000 will be accepted. Yeah, 0, then we should not have 1 anywhere. So once if you start 0, then we should not have. Where we can have ones is before that only. So here again having 1 is optional, so we can make it as a star, and here any number of zeros. So yeah, 1 sends 1 star comma 0 star. Yeah, this is the answer. Yes, any counter cases ma? 1 star 0 star, that's it I think. Yes, Zian, any counter case is there?
Can it be empty?
What?
Can it be empty string?
Empty string. Yeah, we can give empty string. That is also fine only, right, for the given question. What's the question? It should not have 0, 1. So in empty string also 0, 1 is not there. So empty string also will be returned from this, right? So it is fine. Any other? I think it will satisfy remaining all. Why? Because the moment you start 0, we should there is no possibility to get 1. Why? Because the input alphabet contains only 0 and 1. So 1 we cannot get after 0. Next, before this 0, we can have any number of 1s. So 1, any number, so 1 star, and once if you start 0, any number of zeros we can have, but there is no compulsion that we should have zeros as well. So 0 star. So 1 star, 0 star will be the answer. Yeah. Next, I think one more question might be there. Yeah. What is the question here? Regular expression for the language containing a string in which every 0 is immediately followed by 1.
Sir, we did this in last class.
We did this. Okay. What is the answer?
1 plus 0, 1, 1 whole star.
1 plus 0, 1, 1 whole star. Yeah, this is the answer. Okay. Then I will stop this topic here. Let me